Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to Ask in Detail, our famous YouTube channel enriching knowledge. Today, friends, we are going to focus on GIMP software for CBSE Class 8 Special Practical, and yes, I will show you how the software looks like. Here at the bottom, there is a taskbar. You can see this is the mascot of GIMP. This mascot is named as a Wilbur. Now, yes, at the left side, you can see there are tools, and at the right side, there are some background and foreground related things available. Now, if you are unable to see these icons properly, yes, I have one facility to increase the size of these logos or icons. Now go to edit menu, then click on preferences, then you have to click on icon theme, yes, and see icon size is available here. If you want, you can change, just click here, and custom icon size option is there. Select it, then yes, look at the back. First of all, look at the back. The size of icons is getting increased. See, as you can see here, if it is okay, you can keep it. Otherwise, there is another option, huge option. I think huge option will be beneficial if you are watching this video from small screen device. Okay, now yes, this is GIMP. How we can start with the GIMP? Now let's start with the GIMP, or we can simply call it GIMP. Now, how to add the images? The first question is that how to add the images. There is a very easy interface, as you can see on the screen. First, I have to introduce you with this interface. This left upper corner is known as toolbar, or you can say a toolbox, or there are various tools are available like selection tools, and as you can see here, pen tools are available. Now this is a menu bar, as you can see, and here we can see a mode, opacity, layers will be visible here at the right bottom corner, and when you choose any kind of brush or something, the related properties will be available here. Now we'll proceed further. We have to go to file menu. As you know very well, whenever we try to create some new things, you have to visit file menu. Now when you click on file menu, just click simply on open button to add any image. Here I have an image, I can show you, and just click on the open button. Image will be visible in front of you. Now as you can see at the right side, layer is added here. So before adding another image or before moving towards another options or another properties, I have to show you some important things. See here, when you add any image or when you create any layer, there is a button, I button. This button is just simply used for making the slide hide, that is visible or invisible. In the same way, I have to tell you this opacity. Opacity is nothing but kind of transparency. I can show you simply when you just make it transparent, how what kind of effects you can see on the screen. See, it is getting disappearing, as you can see. So this is opacity. It makes the picture or image little bit transparent or invisible, or from the layers point of view. Now I will tell you another way of adding a new image or creating a new layer, because it is a part of our syllabus. Go to file menu, then as you can see, first of all I have to tell you um, as an image you can add as a layer, open as a layer. So there is option in a file menu, click on open as layers. Now I will select another image here and then click on open button. Now see, one image is another image, both are layers, and you can see these layers are here. Now again I will tell you, see here the I button, make it visible or invisible. So it's very simple. Now I can again show you opacity. Just just look at the help, how this opacity is helpful. As you can see here, I will make it completely visible, 100% opacity. Now I will tell you how to create a layer, the basic layer or without any image. It's very simple. Go to layer menu. As you can see on the top side, upper side, in layer menu, click on new layer. There are many options. I can also show you duplicate layers also, but as of now, click on new layer. See, this image is available on the page number 115. You can see in your book as well. And I am also going to tell you something about this. You can name any layer with any name. You can just give it any name. You can just change the color. The main thing is that you can also apply opacity here. And another important thing is that width and height of the layer. So for a quick creation, just click on OK button and simply see, without any uh, time wasting, we have added another layer here. Now you can go to page number 116. I can also proceed further. First of all, I have to tell you the importance of mode, because modes also play an important role in the image creation process. See, when you select any layer, now see, when you select any layer, there is a yellow dash border will be visible to you. Yellow dash border will be uh, easily visible because for under identification. Now I will click on the another image. As you can see, now border is applied to the central image, image added later. Now how the mode plays an important role, I will show you. See, here is a mode and just click on this. The first mode is normal mode, always it is normal. Now I will show you how many modes are there. First of all, read. I think there are 38 modes are there. Just have a look of this: normal, dissolve, color, erase, merge, split, lighten only, luma, then screen, dodge, addition, darken only, luma, multiply, burn, linear burn, overlay, soft light, hard light, vivid light, then pin, linear, hard. As you can see, there are many modes are there, approximately 38. You can count it later. If I am making any mistake, you can tell me. Now I will just show you directly effect of the mode. See, first of all, the by default mode is normal. When I click on lighten only, see what happens. See, so this kind of mixing or blending, it is called blending. This mode gets more helpful when you use brush and try to apply some modes. It also becomes very impressive. It also helps to make the image combination more attractive. Now this is just about mode. You can simply check all the modes as per your convenience. Now the next point is that what are the uses of these tools. First of all, I have to tell you, this is a move tool. Just move the image wherever you want, or you can keep it at any corner. Just I will keep it at the right bottom corner. Yes. Now finally I will tell you another thing, how you can duplicate a layer. It's very easy. There are two ways. First of all, just right click on the layer and here is the option duplicate layer. The another way to make a duplicate layer, go to layer menu and there is another option, duplicate layer. But before making duplicate, select the layer first, which layer you want to make a duplicate. So first of all, I will select this layer, this first image which we have added. Just go to layer menu and click on duplicate layer, and you can see duplicate layer is already created. Yes, immediately it gets created. Now I have to tell you, go to page number 122 and see the heading is deleting a layer. How you can delete the layer? Simply just right click on the layer and go to delete layer option, click on the delete button. It will be simply, it will get deleted. Now page number 123, what is the option? It is called reordering layers. Reorder means what? Sorting of layer, you can simply call it arrangement of layers. Okay, now how you can change the order? Here are the buttons. So this is the image, this is the layer which is at the third level, or you can say in the third place. You can just simply click on this button and see how the order is getting changed. Now because see, first of all, this is the basic image, the temple image is the first image, it is at the base, and if I change it to the upside, so it becomes visible, completely visible, and the image which we have added later will go to the back side. So it's very simple to change the order of the layers. Now go to next option, next thing, resizing a layer. Okay, so first of all I have to tell you, resizing is very easy in many sense, in many ways. I can show you. Simply just go to move menu and take this image at the center. I will make it normal, just click here, make it normal. As you can see, now this is very big image, very large image over the, which is over the another image. If you want to make it small, there is a option he is she is look at the bottom, just click on here and make it very simple. So this is resizing of entire layer. Okay, now I will tell you another thing. Scaling a layer is directly go to layer menu and just go to scale layer, click on this option scale layer, and mention the width and height of the layer as per your convenience. I will make it 1000 pixel and see, just click on scale button and you can simply see the resizing is done. Now I will place this image at the left upper corner. Now we'll move to next thing, next option. We are just overlooking over the all options given in the syllabus. Now layer to image size command, page number 126, as you can see, or you can simply say page number 127, you will get the exact step. Go to layers menu, then click here on a layer to image size. Now what it does, what is the use of this option? You can simply see this. Now we will move towards the next option, that is filter. On page number 129, filters are given in your book. Just go to the respective point and I will show you the first filter, that is clothify filter. Now to apply filters is very easy. You have to go to filters menu, then in this filters menu go to artistic option, and in artistic option there is a clothify option is mentioned. Just click on it and later you have to give some properties, otherwise just keep it as it is and click on OK button and just look at the back image, just look at the image, see the temple image. When I click on OK, it is just doing the things, it is applying the things. See, it is under process, and when the thing gets happen, what happens? See, this is how it looks like. It is called clothify, like a cloth structure, or we can simply say a rough structure. It gets converted into a rough structure. I will just make it Control Z, undo. Now I will show you another thing, that is layer mask. And simply how we can just make a mask layer, it's very simple. See, I have added one image here. Now we'll add another image over the same layer. Yes, I will click on open button. Now see, this image is above the first layer. I will just increase the scale. Go to layer menu, then click on scale layer option and just increase the width of the layer. Now this image is completely over the first image. First of all, now we have to declare it as a mask. It means that it is just a mask above the another layer. So click on right click on the layer, then click on add layer mask and just simply click on add button. I have just shown you how the selection works just now. For as of now, just click on add button. Now how it works, it simply helps when I just minimize the opacity. See the previous image looks also. Now another thing is that when you just apply some brush here, I will show you how the brush also plays an important role here. See, when I just see, I will again use some another brush here. Okay, increase the size. At the left side you can just simply increase the size of the brush. So how it works, let's see. Are you getting how this gets helpful? This is how you can just make a use of masking. So this is masking. Simply helps you for blending purpose. Now again one thing I will show you. For that purpose I have to click on new. I will click one new layer here. Now how you can create shapes over the layer? So it's very simple to create shapes here. First of all, look at these tools, selection tools, or some uh, other color tools are also, because you have to create shape and later you have to fill the colors in that shape. Just a second. Yes, now I will show you. Just select the tool, selection tool, rectangle or ellipse. I will just select ellipse. See, when you have a shape on the layer, just go to fill color bucket, or you can say just fill tool. Now see fill type, which kind of color you are going to fill, we have to see here. Foreground color, that is this black. BG color, that is background color, this is white. So it's already white and black, I don't want to add, so simply just click on FG and click on this blank and select any color which you want. I will just select here. I will just click on OK and just click here. You will have a color in the shape. So it's very easy to create shapes. So just again go to ellipse. I will again draw one another ellipse here to match it, and then go to fill bucket, add the color here. It's very simple to do the designing here. I think this is all about our unit. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Feel free to comment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Like, share, subscribe and press bell button. Thank you.